Good day, sir, and to the viewers. Today we are here with Sir Ricky Avellino, the CEO and President of Iridanos Avellino Business Partners and the founder of Avellinos. And our topic for today talks about defining success. So, sir, here is our first question. When people describe you, what three words do I hope or do you hope they use or they see? What impact do you want your achievements to have on the lives of others?
Number one, warrior of God. Number two, hardworking person. Number three, a loving man. I would like to influence others about life. Na life is good, life is great, and God is good all the time. One of the reason, one of my purpose kaya gusto ko I want to become successful because I want them to know that God is good. They will see how great is my God. Gusto ko yun na maging testimony ko na I'm living this way because my God is great. Dapat may action. So, talagang maging hardworking person. There is no substitute for hard work. Kasi realities of life, lalo na ngayon, maraming mga nakapapanood natin, minsan nakakalimutan yung word na hard work. They're saying work smart because they want to sell something. Pinaka-basic, work hard. And of course, consistency.
What tips would you give to young entrepreneurs to be successful like you?
Ayun, parang nabanggit ko na rin na una, magkaroon ng humility. Kailangan humble tayo kasi you will not learn if alam mo na lahat. So number one, be humble. Humility para you can learn, you will absorb ano yung mga learnings. And number two, hard work. Work hard talaga. And pangatlo, yan, lagi ko tinuturo din to na dapat nasa right vehicle ka. Kasi kung sa wrong vehicle ka, kahit anong hard work mo naman, wala din. Sabi nga ni Albert Einstein, doing things over and over again and expecting different result is called insanity. So, dapat nasa right vehicle ka. Pag alam mo na nasa right vehicle ka, yun na, work hard na. And of course, my favorite, consistency is the key. Be consistent. Dapat tuloy-tuloy lang. Pag nakita mong effective ang ginagawa mo, ulit-ulitin mo lang yan. Pag nakita mong effective. So, yun ang maki-advise ko sa mga how to become successful.
Okay po. What a very insightful ideas din po, no? Tsaka, thank you po for sharing. So, our last question, sir, is what legacy do you want to leave behind for your community, family, or the world?
Yun, kagaya nga, life is great. Masarap mabuhay. Andyan ang Panginoon. Anyway, ang buhay natin is only temporary. Ang pinaka-important is what is next. Yung buhay natin after this. So, yes, we're living here. Kaya dapat ayusin natin. Maging masagana tayo. Pero huwag natin kalimutan yung next life. Yung spiritual life natin. That's the most important. Ang legacy na gusto kong iwan na si Ricky Avellino, ang buhay niya ay is to glorify God. Yan, na lahat ng ginagawa ko is to glorify God. Sabi nga, in everything you do, lahat ng ginagawa natin, success man yan or sometimes failure, dapat mag-glorify ang ating Panginoon. Of course, to glorify Him, we should do our best and be the best. Always remember, Avellino knows humility is power. God bless everyone. Be great. Bye-bye.